you guys are doing great. I'm doing good, and I have really missed you guys. It's been 1.5 months since I've actually made a video. One, because I really was short of time, and secondly, because I was short of money. So I really didn't purchase anything, and finally, after that long hiatus, a long break, I finally purchased something for myself, and it was a lot of makeup products, which I'll be reviewing back to back. But to start with, today I'll be reviewing a brand which is called Kiko Milano, which is an Italian brand. So guys, this is Kiko Milano Radiant Blush by the range is called Ray of Love Radiant Blush, and the shade is 0 to Silky Wow. Okay, so it's a beautiful packaging. I really love pink, and when you get something in pink color, I really love them. So the net weight is 6 grams that comes with it, and the price that I paid for this is actually it was at 50% discount. This is 2190 the MRP, but I got it at 50% discount. So I got it at around 1050 or $1100. So that's why I was shocked to see this price tag, because I really didn't pay so much. So you get at 2200 basically 6 grams, and the shade is 0 to Silky Wow. And when you open this beautiful packaging, you see the beautiful box over here which says Kiko Milano, and there is a beautiful heart because this is Ray of Love, and behind you have the shade name written 0 to Silky Wow, and you have the weight written, which is 6 grams. Now they say this is enriched with jojoba, enriched with the goodness of jojobas, and also it gives you a radiant finish to your skin. So that was what it claims. That is what it claims. And when you open it, you have a beautiful mirror. So basically, let me start with the packaging. The packaging is very, very sturdy, very nice, very beautiful, and very elegant, because you have a beautiful heart, and the color is beautiful, gorgeous. If you see, it's a beautiful, gorgeous color. And when you open it, it is easy to open. You have this normal how your blushes come. You open this, and then you have again inside also is pink, and then you have this beautiful powder here. Okay, and it's pretty and the good part about this is that it's just not the color. It's slightly shiny, so even the color is slightly shiny, the more color that you see. And this gives you kind of pinky shiny kind of a effect to your cheeks. So I really don't use a highlighter, I only use a blush. So because I only use a blush, I was really looking at something that kind of gives you a dewy finish on your skin. So that's the reason I kind of got attracted to this. And this is a color that I technically don't have, one towards a pink side. I have very warm toned color, and I have different kind of formats, like I have cream and I have liquid and all of that, but in powder I do not have a pink one. So that's the reason I got attracted to this, apart from the packaging and the very fact that it is shiny. It has some illuminating kind of effect to it. That's the reason I kind of love this. Okay, so let's just apply it and see. Okay, so what I'll do is this is my basically Body Shop's blush applicator, the brush. Okay, so this is a retractable one. This is very easy to carry, and that's the reason I had purchased it. So what I'll do is that I will take a little bit of this. Okay, if I think I have excess, I will just do this. Okay, then I will take my mirror. This is a Miniso mirror. This I think I purchased for $300 or $350 from Miniso. So I'll start applying it. Okay, can you see this pink color? Okay, now I'll do the same thing towards my left, and I have a visitor here. So we have a cat. Okay, and her name is Tokyo, right? Tokyo, now go back. So guys, this is what it looks like. It has definitely brought a lot of color to my face, which was totally flat since since the time I actually started the video. So it is definitely looking very nice. The color payoff is amazing, because of which, you know, you will have to be very, very careful of how much you pick up with your brush. Try to pick up as little as possible, because at the end of the day it will just you will just keep on adding. You'll apply it and then you might have to correct it and all of that, and who has the time? So just try to take very little and then you can build it up. I made the mistake of probably picking up enough powder and then starting it and trying to blend it on my skin. So that's one thing that you'll have to be careful about. But I think this is a beautiful, beautiful color. The color is pink. Okay, so the pink color is very, very beautiful, I feel, you know. So it's pretty nice. I really like it. It's very expensive. I picked it up on 50% discount, so I think that's the reason I really did not find it was a pinch on the wallet. But for the I think this is an expensive buy, in case if it's not on discount. So that's about this brand, guys, Kiko Milano. I think I really liked it. I guess the color is also very pretty. Okay, color payoff is very good. It is blendable, yes it is, but obviously if you pick up a lot more product than what is required, it takes some time to blend, which I definitely took. But it's a beautiful color. So I think as far as the color is concerned, a big thumbs up. As far as the blendability is concerned, I'm okay with it. Probably it was my mistake on how I picked it up. As far as the color payoff is concerned, it's amazing, and the way it sits on my skin is pretty nice. It kind of gives a subtle kind of finish to my cheeks. It gives a little glow also. So it's just not the color, I guess. I think it's glowing as well, so that's the pretty good part of it. And I really like it, but if I have to buy it on MRP, I don't think I'll buy it, because it's very expensive for the product. So that's it, guys, from my side. If you want to know more about this product, do message or write to me. I will definitely try to answer your queries. Thank you so much for tuning in. Thanks, guys. Bye bye.